Welcome back, guys. So right now let's do something fun before we proceed. So I want to create a new chat right here, and I want to use the canvas, of course, to create a game. So I want to create an X and O game for me and my friend to play, to battle boredom. So let's just have it sent this way. So I'm just showing you fun things you can do with it as well. So it's not just you knowing how to build up. You can actually build a game on Gemini and play the game on Gemini. So let's build a game right now. So let's see what the game would look like. This is a familiar game actually. This is an X and O game. And here we have the code behind. So it's a tic-tac-toe game. So let's see, let's preview what the game would look like. So you can preview the game. You can build anything here on Gemini. You can build a calculator, but right here now we are trying to build a game so that we can play the game right away. So here we have the game being previewed. So let's see what we've done so far. So we can play the game right now. So we can start a new game. So let's try to play our game right now. So you could play right now, waiting for player O. So let me play my X right now. So I chose that place, and player O can play. That's your friend, can play his as well. O comes there. Then I play mine, which is X. So this is O. So let's wait for O right here. I'm trying to play O, but the O is not playing. So what do we do? Let's start a new game and see if it's from our end. So let me start a new game right now. And having to start a new game, let me play my X and let's play O. If O picks, it didn't pick, so we say O could not play. Can you fix it? Okay, so we are asking it to fix the same code it wrote. So let's wait for the fix. So we are fixing the code right now, so we can have a complete game setup we can play. You can create other games as well. This is just a sample of what you can do with Gemini and how we can create a game. Since this would take more time, I could easily create another game. So let's create something easy for it. So let's try to create another game. So I would say create an interactive game I could play right now. So let's see what it does with that. So let's say create an interactive game I could play right now. So the rules you locate. So let me come to canvas right now. We could create any game. So we could say create a snake in a maze game for me to play. So let's create that. Let's create a snake in a maze game for me to play. So let's wait for the result right now. So now we're having the code here, so we are waiting for that to get loaded so we can preview and play the game. So this one is snake in a maze. So let's wait for the preview right here and see what we are going to have so we can play a game, because we want something interesting. So let's play the game right now. So let's try again, architects. So here we have the snake. Your navigation is here, that's what it says, or use swipes key on your desktop. Oh, so you can even use your swipe key. So let's try that. Let me try to do that. Wow. So let's go down now. Okay, so that's how to build a game. You could do more complex things with it. I'm just showing you some fun things you could do. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.